Hey guys, welcome to another episode of My Extraordinary Life. Today we are installing the Jeda USB hub. So we just got this in the mail yesterday. We did get it from getjeda.com and it was about $80. And the point of this is to get rid of all of the messy cords in the center console and to hide the hard drive that you would have for Sentry mode. We also got a larger hard drive for Sentry mode, so if you're interested to see what we have, we'll put it in the description. All right, so let's open this up, get it set up.
Okay, so we press the bottom right corner to get this door off. And it comes with a USB-A to USB-C adapter. So we can plug in our SSD. And it comes with a magnetic strip with 3M, sticky tape. So we'll stick it to the back of our hard drive, and then the magnet will stick to the inside of here. So our hard drive will be hidden. So we're going to do that right now. There, now the hard drive is hidden. So if anyone does break in, there's a less chance of them knowing where the hard drive is and taking it.
Alright, now we're going to get it as far back in here as we can.
There you go. It's all plugged in. So now we want to plug in, we do have the Jeda wireless pad. So we're going to plug in that into the two USB-A ports. We're going to do that right now. There's two USB-C ports, so if you want to charge a phone via cord, you can do so. But that's it. There's the after. It's a lot cleaner looking, less wires, and the hard drive's hidden behind that door. All done.
Alright, that's it. It looks a lot cleaner. Done. If you're in the market for a Tesla Model S3 or X, please use my referral code. You'll get 1,000 free miles of supercharging, and so will I. If you like this video, then like this video. If you want to comment, then do it in the space below. And if you want to subscribe, then subscribe.
Peace.